Gus,
After we took egg adobo.
do you know how to cook egg adobo?
Is it expired, Nala? I ate this. Is it expired to you? Is it expired?
No, no.
Oh. No, I'm eating this one.
Uy, ano ba yan?
She's mad.
Are you mad?
Mad. I want it.
Ha?
I put it there. Look at the EP's there, Nala. He's trying to climb, but he can't climb.
Yeah, no. How many? Put there. Angelique likes tacos. You put it there. You're too far away. That's it?
No. Papa. Nala,
Mm.
sell with us.
Huh?
Sell with us.
Can you dance for me the ting 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 ting? Shining in the eye now. When to ting ting when ting 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 ting. But ting 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 ting. Taba ching ching. Koy, can you dance the taba ching ching ching? Telling to China, telling ting 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 ting. Telling to China.
I remember before Gaga was small.
Ting ting
He's
ting ting
very-
ting. Can you pick up Angelique's ano? Oh, Chano, your turn.
When he was
Chana,
cute,
chan,
he was like
chan.
so.
Chano.
What's that?
Ching 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 ching.
Is that coffee?
This
Yes.
is coffee.
Okay. Why?
What happened here?
My father told me. Let me cook. That is smarter to cook because Angelique cooked hers already.
No, this is mine. Angelique, are we playing here?
Let me do it, Angelique.
No, let her.
Come
do it.
on, she already cooked egg. I never cooked anything egg yet.
Yeah, later you're gonna cook the adobo.
No, I don't adobo.
I want you to cook for me adobo.
But I don't have. There's no any recipe. Look at that thing. There's no
Recipe?
Look.
We will, ano?
Buy.
Hmm.
What do we need? Lala?
What do we need? Onions,
Onions and
garlic,
garlic and.
and
See, I'm okay
Hoy!
na. See, I'm okay now because your healing hands helped me.
yeah.
Did you know what Tata said that time when I was sick? When I'm about to be sick?
Mm.
Chano, don't be sick because I will never help you.
Do not put the skirt like that because that one only white.
Right. Yay! Start food time. What's this?
Ano nang nangyari dito? Maluluto ba tong itlog? Hawa na diha, Chano. Kaya po, napagod na.
I think.
It's pagod. Pagod na massacre?
Can you please smile?
Can you leave her alone, please? Oh, there is white. Baby.
Oh, that is here.
Yeah.
Hi, Ta.
That was not there.
Who's that one who went out? Did you have rice?
Tuarang egg. Oh, tanawa. Look, you don't even remember that you already took the egg.
Oh. Chum.
Hay! Bagsak. Ang pilak.
Now, what if you could have a baby one more time for us?
Oh my God. Thank you so much.
I could have a baby one.
Never.
No. No.
Never. Can you dance for me that?
And then if you pee, can you check it and if you're pregnant and I'll be more happy.
Ikaw na lang.
Then I'll be more pregnant. Can you please be pregnant na?
Oh my God.
I want to have a baby boy.
Uy, init pa man
I
ka.
want to have a baby boy.
Ikaw na lang. Mag-asawa.
I don't-
Hoy, enough na.
Ajay,
Enough.
No,
Nana,
because that's only
pregnant.
4.
Ha?
It's only 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Nana, please. I want you to be pregnant. Can you?
You get married.
Can you please?
Don't be bayot-bayot.
Can you please drink?
Don't be bayot.
Can you please drink a medicine to get pregnant?
Don't be bayot-bayot. And then you get married. And then, but you are bayot-bayot.
Nana.
Teng. But you know, Ricky Martin, he has kids, even he's bayot. You know Ricky Martin?
No.
He's the one who's singing.
How
The one who's singing.
Angelique, out.
Inside, outside, living la vida loca. Living la vida
You
loca.
know why Angelique is a little bit mad?
Yes.
Don't let her do what Tata said to her, even though.
Oh, Chano.
Chano, nandiyan ka na. You're starting again. You're starting again.
What?
What did I tell you? What did I tell
Just
you?
like that, I know.
I told you. It's not your job to say that. What is your responsibility to your sister? Huh? Tell me. Are you starting, Chano? You forgot what we did yesterday? Okay. So, you make like that. Did you put asin?
The scene is over there.
Smile. Show me your smile. Show me your smile. Show me your smile. What kind of smile is that? It's a bao-bao smile. Don't overcook.